Hi, 700 Club Canada viewers. The question today is how can you be aware of your mental health before you end up having unhealthy mental health? Just like we have regular checkups with our physician to take care of our physical body, so we should do regular checkups of our mental health. And just like our physical health, when we're proactive in getting these regular checkups, we can often prevent more serious problems. So how do we do that? Let me use an analogy of what happens when you go for your physical with your doctor. First of all, you have to take off your clothes and wear one of those hospital gowns that can be uncomfortable and frankly make you a little bit embarrassed. In the same way, we have to be willing to be uncomfortable and feel a little bit vulnerable to look honestly at our mental health, including our willingness to seek feedback from our friends and family. They will often see things about us before we do. Then we have to let our doctor poke and prod our body and tell them if any of that prodding hurts us. Just like your doctor assesses the location of the pain and the severity of that pain to diagnose what might be the underlying problem, so we need to pay attention to any pain in our lives. Are we feeling pain in our moods or our sense of well-being or our relationships? Or is it our ability to cope with work or school? Or are we noticing unusually strong reactions to simple triggers in our life? And just like our doctor sends us to a specialist for further testing if we notice some physical symptoms, so we should go to a mental health specialist for a further assessment if we're noticing that there's pain in our lives. Ignoring our pain or trying to self-medicate only leads to far more serious problems that will take much more intervention to resolve. The good news is that if you're proactive in checking your mental health and you're quick to get help if you need it, you can stay healthy mentally and emotionally.